So this is with watermarks, but the best is between 50, 25 kilopascal. And also after harvest you can go up with a little bit of water deficit with trees to control the vigor. About cherry nutrition, okay, we can make it very, very complex. But the standard is more that we use very early in the season at bud break, 30 kilos of nitrogen, can be calcium nitrate. But we do it, we apply as a granulate very early in the season. Probably it's not 100% effective, but we make sure that nitrogen is available directly after blooming. That's the time that the tree needs the nitrogen. We can do post-harvest, yeah, but we will never get more than 100% in reserves. Even when you oversupply with fertilizer, 100% is the top. You can measure with leaf analysis where you are and add more fertilizer at this time of the year or less, or not necessary. We start normally from blooming time with the fertigation. So we take ammonium nitrate, so the nitrate is directly available and the ammonium will turn into nitrate, but you need soil temperatures and moisture in the soil, of course. And then depending on the fruit set and the forecast of production, from stone hardening we'll change to potassium nitrate, because potassium, you take the much out with the cherries from your block. So if you produce 20 tons of cherries, you take about 150, 200 kilos of pure potassium out of your orchard. So we make sure that we take it back again. And we do post-harvest fertilizers, but depending on the leaf analysis that we do. If we have cold rootstocks or very vigorous rootstocks, we go down with the total nutrition. And what we want to make sure with the fertigation, that we have the cations and the anions in a balance. That's also important. But okay, that's maybe for next time about fertigation. But we want cations and anions in the same balance to keep the tree healthy. So here we take the targets for the leaf analysis. We have different for Gisela, different for cold. Because of the vigor and the production, but normally the Gisela needs a little bit more than a cold. Volume nutrition, we do a lot actually in the cherries to stimulate cell division. So that can be with algae around blooming time or amino acids, yeah, to get less stress in the tree. So also volume nutrition, very important, especially directly after blooming. Also irrigation water, to have 100% effect from your fertilizer, your input of your fertilizer, you should make sure that your irrigation water is adapted to the system. So try to control the bicarbonates in the water. You can do it with nitric acid, sulfuric acid, or phosphoric acid to change the pH. So we want to have a pH at the tree actually around 5.8, around 6. Then also your fertilizer is more effective. Well, not all fertilizers are compatible, so we normally